All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live at 11 a.m. Tuesday morning, New York time or U.S. East Coast time. And, oh, you know, I forgot something. Man, I'm feeling relaxed. I am in Turkey. I am in southern Turkey, and you can see the gorgeous view behind me. I am in Gojek, Turkey, and it's incredible. I really need to spend more time in Turkey. As you guys know, one of my favorite countries is the Republic of Georgia, and Georgia borders Turkey. They have, a lot of similarities in terms of land and just uh, a little, like, to me, they're a little similar. Obviously, the culture is different and the food is a little bit different, but man, this is great. Shave the beard, just relaxing a little bit. And shout out to my gracious host, who I mentioned yesterday as part of our charity stream on Crypto's channel. I'm going to show you his book in a second, but just enjoy the view for a minute. And then I'm enjoying my wine and my steak. And time to look at some charts. Hope everyone else is having a great day. But this is great. I am off to Antalya, Turkey tomorrow to speak at a conference. And I was going to move on from Turkey soon after that, but I think I'm going to stick around. I know there are some COVID restrictions here, but the weather is incredible. It's so nice. I may just stay here for a week or two. Absolutely excellent. In the southern parts of Turkey, a little too cold in Istanbul. All right, so let's go to screen share. Tone, come back to Florida. When I get back to the U.S., eventually, I will certainly come back to Florida, though it's challenging because half of America has moved to Florida, and I don't like big crowds. So we'll see what happens there. All right. We're going to go to the charts, but before I do the charts, please check out this children's book, Catching Emotions by Artun Baker and Artun Bakar, sorry. And all the money goes directly to help fight leukemia for children. So Artun does not profit from this book. He wrote it as a passion project, and all the money does go to charity. I should throw this link in the video description, which I will do right after this video. And now we can go ahead and take a look at the charts. By the way, the reason I'm in Turkey is because I came to take a look at a venue for a potential financial summit event, but that venue is slightly different, and it sounds like there's going to be another conference organized by Tone Vays. Just wait. We have a name. We have a logo. We put all of that together in 2 days, and the concept of that event will also be very interesting to those around the world. We're going to try to put that event up for sale in the next few weeks, and it's going to be one of my passion projects. So no more being lazy. We'll see what happens. All right, now let's go to the charts. We have the continuous formation of this weekly ascending triangle. I absolutely love this triangle. Does it have to break out to the upside for a $20,000 up move? Of course not. Anything can happen, but I am very, very bullish. The more I stare at this triangle, the more bullish I am getting. So right now, we do have wiggle room. The price can fluctuate between 56,000 and 60,000. That's basically the fluctuation point. Ideally, between 59 and 56. It can fluctuate between these two this entire week. And if we do not break above 60,000 this entire week, I will be even more bullish next week. Okay, I'll be even more bullish next week. So right now, this is looking great. The longer this consolidates, the more violent the up move I'm anticipating. So I was not anticipating a move to 80,000 3 weeks ago, but because of this 3-week consolidation to make up for the missed profits of an up move, I keep raising my target. So if we do not break out above 60,000 this week, I will be expecting a bigger move to get kicked off next week. And after that, we'll see. I do feel that we need to touch this moving average at some point. Not sure when that point is going to be. That is the 30 period weekly moving average. I do feel that we need to touch it at some point, and probably after this move to the $80,000 area. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's get the MRI up and running. I'm enjoying my beautiful red wine. Looks like we pulled back a little bit. Last time I looked at the price of Bitcoin was a few hours ago, and we were still sitting at $58,500. And we did pull back. A little tiny bit surprising that we did. I am looking for this move to go to the upside. I was really looking forward to this candle being a green 2 candle, breaking above this high. I would have loved to see today's candle close above 59,000, but it is what it is. And this consolidation on a weekly scale continues to not be a concern. We are holding this 20 period daily moving average, and that's great. The MRI top did not cause any major drops other than this one red day. Right now, the daily scale is holding above the last 2 candles. While we are closing currently below yesterday's open, the intra candle low is higher than the prior low, and the prior low was higher than the low before that. So as long as that holds, I continue to be relatively bullish on Bitcoin. People are saying, what's the likelihood of breaking below 56,000? The likelihood of closing the daily candle below 56,000, I would say, is less than 50% prior to breaking 62,000. So let's just say I think that the probability of breaking to a new all-time high is greater than closing below 56. But I do think that we will go below 56 after we form the top. So right now I am looking for a move to the $70,000 or even $80,000 range. But after that happens, I do envision the price of Bitcoin falling below 50,000. So it's an interesting question because time matters. I think 62 will happen before 56, but 56 will happen before 100,000. That's my view on it. Okay, let's move on. I do want to finish my steak, so this video will not last too long. Here is the 4-hour chart. Let's get the MRI working. The 4-hour chart is having a rough candle right now, so it's hard to really analyze it at the moment. It is a red star candle, which means it's bearish, but we have not broken below this consolidation. So I remain relatively bullish. Right now on a 4-hour scale, to me, this looks like a symmetric triangle. And I like this triangle to break to the upside. If we go to the 1-hour chart, we can make this triangle cleaner. Oh, I like that. You guys see that right there? Look at that. The 1-hour buy on the MRI candle. Now look at this. There was a 1 hour buy in the MRI candle here. I did not even notice that. I don't know if I talked about it. I don't remember. I honestly don't remember this, and I don't remember this, but looks great. And here's a buy. Here's a sell. Yes, we went a little bit higher, didn't hold, and that's a buy. So if I was in a trading competition, and there will be a trading competition when I bring a new event to Turkey, I would be buying right now on a short-term level in the trading competition. I don't normally go sub 1 hour, but that's what a trading competition would force me to do, because I would, of course, use the MRI as one of my indicators in a trading competition. Waiting for the MRI to load. Oh, it did load. Ah, thank you, sir. And the MRI is not helping on a 10-minute scale. How about the 15? Waiting for the MRI to load. Oh, there's a buy, but we're not going to get the actual MRI. But the hourly chart is good. Look, we held the support line. I would be a short-term buyer right here. I would try to catch this falling knife. Going back to the hour chart, I like it. I like it. Like, this was the warning candle. Obviously, if you caught this huge fall an hour ago, 10 a.m. reversal probably happened in the S&P as well. Looks nice. Where would my stop loss be? My stop loss be below this triangle line. So if I was entering a bullish trade right now for the next few hours, I'd have a stop loss, below 57.5 and a half, 57,500, somewhere below that. 57,450 seems like a good stop loss for me. And I would be looking for a move, back towards the swing high. I remain pretty bullish in this environment. The GBTC, the premium, has recovered a little bit. It's looking nice. Gold. Oh, I like this. Beautiful. As I said, guys, I was looking at gold to bottom for the year back in March. We came close to breaking that, but we didn't. And we're approaching this green line. So I am once again bullish on gold. Real quick, I want to look at the daily funding rate. Ooh, that's troublesome. That's trouble. That is a very high funding rate, which probably why we're going down a little bit. It's very possible we got a few more days of consolidation, and that's okay. That is okay. I can always extend this triangle by one additional week. It still fits within the rules of the triangle to extend it by 1 week. So don't feel bad if it hasn't broken out yet. Good things come to those who wait. I remain 100% allocated to my Bitcoin bullish positions. And if I have to hold them for a few more weeks for the breakout, that's exactly what I am going to do. The S&P 500 on a daily chart is once again going into the stratosphere, and that's absolutely perfect. So I remain bullish the S&P as well. Weekly, daily, it's all bullish across the board. Okay, gonna peek at your live chat, and then we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna actually stop the screen share so you guys can enjoy this view behind me as the sun is beginning to set. Again, Turkey. What an incredible view here. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Raise the camera a little bit. Like, this is great. Like, awesome. Tone, how likely we hit 70,000 this month? I think it's very likely. I give it a 75% chance that 70K would get hit this month. Student discounts and the MRI indicator. I don't like to do discounts on the MRI indicator, especially for students, because it's an advanced trading indicator, and I don't really like students, high risky trading, but we'll see. Let me think about it. Tone, I'm traveling to Mexico and it's super easy and super fun. Just letting you know for the future. No. Once I get back to North America, I'm going to spend the least amount of time in the United States, and I'm going to try to spend the rest of my time in Mexico. Welcome to Turkey. Thank you. Thank you, Hilda. What do I think of GM? You know what? I'm not really looking at stocks that much. I'm going to have to skip this one because we're going to cut the show short in about a minute. It is a beautiful view. Thank you. Now, the reason people ask me, why do you always look down? Well, because my laptop has a second portable screen at the bottom of my laptop. So I look down to look at your live chat. But at the moment, I'm not screen sharing, so I can certainly bring that chat up. And now I can look more into the camera and read your live chat. Yeah, Sri Lanka. I need to get there one day. Hourly seems to be breaking down again. It is, but it's still an MRI candle, and it still has 38 minutes to go. So I am still confident that Bitcoin will reverse its trend in the next hour, between current hour and next hour. It doesn't have to, which is why we have stop losses. Where's the Ethereum chart? I'm really enjoying my day. I don't want to look at shitcoins today, maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow, I am traveling to Antalya to a conference. All right, guys. I'm going to finish my steak. I'm going to enjoy my wine. And we're going to end the stream. But stay tuned for some awesome news in the very near future. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.